Hi there, students. In English, we very often use the verb pay with certain phrases. For example, to pay someone a visit. If you're ever in the area, pay me a visit. I want you to pay attention to what I'm saying. Also, you could pay heed to what I'm saying. He never pays heed to what his father tells him. Okay, to pay heed, to listen to somebody's advice. You could pay lip service to the rules and regulations. Yeah, you pretend that you are following them and you do the very least necessary for people to know that you're not disobeying the rules. So, I don't know, yes, he was a non-believer, but he paid lip service to the religion. So, um, if he had to go to church, well, he went, but no more. This wasn't something that he believed in. To pay someone a compliment, that was really good. Well done. I thought that was excellent. I would like to pay you a compliment. Thank you for paying me such a nice compliment. You could pay homage to someone, is to make a speech or to say a set of things that are saying this person is absolutely fantastic. Yeah, you could pay somebody a tribute. Okay, again, this is like pay homage. And I just thought it was quite strange using these phrases with the verb pay. Okay, so to pay your respects, to pay someone a visit, pay attention, pay heed, pay lip service to pay someone a compliment, time to pay homage to the leader, or let me pay tribute to you, let me pay tribute to your fantastic work. So, if you can think of any more of these phrases with pay, please put them in the comments section. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To pay with various phrases.